It's hailing. I can't. Oh, there you go. Wow.
Film right here on the ground.
That's what you do. I got the chair a while ago. I don't want to go out there. It looks like it's gonna hurt.
I want to try. Smell that?
No, not that bad.
Oh! Oh, it's unbelievable.
Oh, you stink. Wow.
Whoa.
That's nuts.
More hail damage.
Oh, Kim's out there with the car.
My car's out front.
Oh.
Crazy damage to keep blue skies out. Look at this.
It's ridiculous. We should send this to the Weather Network.
We should, man.
Holy. Wow.